exactly that. Hold on tight, because this adventure is full of friendship, magic, tricks, and giggles. Are you ready? Let's go. Once upon a sparkly time, in a hidden forest where flowers sing and colors dance, there lived three wonderful fairies. First, Ayesha Fairy, the wise and kind leader with golden wings that glowed like sunshine. Then, Red Fairy, super brave, fast as lightning, with red sparkles flying everywhere. And Yellow Fairy, always laughing, shining bright like a happy little sun. They lived in a cozy treehouse made of petals and dreams. They were best friends forever, and they loved adventures. One sunny morning, knock, knock, knock. Ayesha opened the door, and there stood Sea Fairy. Her blue wings looked sad, and tears sparkled like ocean drops on her cheeks. "Oh, Ayesha Fairy," she cried, "big, big trouble! The bad goblin stole our magic stick. Now the sea is getting dark and dirty, corals are turning gray, and my whole underwater city will be ruined forever if we don't get it back." Red Fairy jumped up. "No way! We can't let that happen." Yellow Fairy giggled nervously. "But how?" Ayesha Fairy hugged Sea Fairy tight. "Don't worry, true friends fix everything." Sea Fairy told the heartbreaking story. "I went to magic school in the fluffy clouds every day. There, I made a friend who seemed so nice. She brought me yummy lunch when I was hungry, and I trusted her with all my heart. One day, she asked, 'How are sea fairies so strong and magical?' I proudly showed her my shiny magic stick, the one that keeps the whole ocean safe and sparkly. She said, 'Wow, let me see your beautiful palace under the waves.' I took her there, but oh no, she tricked me. She grabbed the stick and ran straight to the bad goblins. Now they are using it to make the sea stormy and messy." The three fairies gasped. Red Fairy's eyes burned. "That's so mean." Yellow Fairy looked worried. "We have to save it." Ayesha Fairy smiled bravely. "And we will, together." Ayesha Fairy stood tall and said, "We four are going on a rescue mission right now." Red Fairy cheered, "I'll fly super fast." Yellow Fairy bounced, "I'll light up the darkest places." Sea Fairy wiped her tears. "Thank you, my true friends." They spread their wings and flew, whoosh, across the sky, over mountains, through fluffy clouds, straight down to the deep blue sea. Adventure time. They dove into the ocean. The city looked so sad. Gray corals, scared fish hiding. In a secret coral cave, Ayesha made a clever plan. Red, distract the goblins with your speedy flying. Yellow, blind them with your bright light. Sea and I will sneak and grab the stick. Red Fairy zoomed in. "Hey, goblins, catch this fast fairy!" She flew crazy circles, dizzy goblins. Yellow Fairy burst in, too bright for bad eyes. Goblins shouted and covered their faces. While they were confused, Ayesha made a gentle wave, and the stick floated right into Sea Fairy's hands. "Got it!" she shouted with joy. The goblins tried to chase, but the fairy's friendship power was too strong. Sea Fairy waved the stick, whoosh, and a big, kind wave pushed the goblins far away. Not hurt, just lesson learned. The ocean sparkled blue again. Corals glowed rainbow colors. Fish danced and cheered. The whole city shouted, "Hooray for the fairy friends!" That night, they had a magical dinner on the beach under twinkling stars. Sweet fruits, yummy sea berries, and cakes that sparkled like stars. They laughed and talked. Sea Fairy said, "You showed me real friends never trick you. Friendship is the best magic of all." Ayesha Fairy smiled big, and we will always be here for each other. So, remember, little ones, when trouble comes, call your true friends. Together, you can fix anything with love, courage, and a little sparkle. The end. Or maybe just the beginning of more adventures. Sweet dreams and good night.